Mama Evelyn here with my friend Gail. We getting ready to walk away some pounds.
Okay.
And y'all just watch us. I'll show you how it's done. I'm with you. You just step in place. You just step in place first. What you think, Gail? You got it? All right, girl. Keep them feet right. Uh-oh, we got to do it. Step out. Step in. Step out. Step in. Here we go. Here we go. Come on, Gail.
Yeah, I'm matching with the girl.
Do it, girl. Step. Step.
Yeah, I can do this all day.
This is the warm up right here. We got to warm up. Step out. Step in.
Okay.
You got it, Gail. You got it, girl.
Yeah.
Oh, I saw her moving her arms. Hold on now. We gotta get our exercise in. Keep these bodies looking good. Oh, whoops. Oh yeah, step. There we go. Walk in place. Walk in place. Yeah, she gonna have us doing something in a minute. Watch. Hold on, just watch. What? Where she gotta go? Ooh, I feel the burn already, honey. I feel it already. Oh, she's kicking our feet. Uh-oh. Kick them feet. Kick them feet. Oh, y'all can't see my feet? Let's see, I'll pull you back a little bit so you can see our feet. I got I'm lifting them. Look at, I'm lifting. Lift. Oh, walk. I don't follow directions all that well. Extra weight on me. Woo. Yeah. Okay. There we go. Sarah need to be doing this, her and Lisa. Get that body in shape, get a man that way. This one of the old ones. I remember this one when I was younger. Yep. Oh, keep walking. Keep walking. Yeah, honey. Yeah, nice young man. Come on. Yeah, hands go across. That's a sexy lady right there, yes. Oh yeah. Implants. Got implants too. Need nothing. To the right, to the left, to the right, to the left. Uh-oh, sorry, Gail. I'm sweating. Yeah. Uh-oh, it's gonna make us bend down into it.
Walk away pound.
Get into it.
Let me weigh the pound.
Woo. Look at her, she's like a robot. Yes. We got this. We got this. Get down. We can do it. We can do it. Yeah. Oh, back to walking. Gotta keep walking. Uh-oh. Got their hands going up. Up. Yep. Come on down. Up. I got it. Bring them down strong. Yes. Woo, I feel it. We got this. We got this. We got this. We got this. Yes. Walk. Walk. She said do that too. Nothing else, just walk. Okay. Woo. Evelyn, feel the burn coming on.
Work out.
Feel that burn. Here we go. Step up.
Oh Lord, here we go with them legs up again. Oh Lord.
What we got here?
I don't know how much more of this I
All
can
right.
take.
When you can't keep up, just walk. That's what she say. And then you gotta bring your hands down. Don't crisscross for that waist. I know about that. Yes, indeed. Woo. Always can't keep up, walk. And always walk.
Let's go.
Oh, well, that was a great workout. What you think, Gail? Was that a good workout?
Yeah.
That was a workout and a half. Yes, y'all have a lovely day. And as Charlene would say, I love you, everybody. Bye-bye.